In India, interest is charged on income tax for three main reasons, as outlined in sections 234A, 234B, and 234C of the Income Tax Act. The standard rate is 1% per month or part of a month on the unpaid amount. Here's a breakdown of how this interest is applied. Section 234A, interest for late filing of ITR. This interest is charged if you file your income tax return, ITR, after the due date. Interest rate, 1% per month or part of a month. Calculation. The interest is calculated on the amount of tax that remains unpaid. The period of calculation starts from the day after the due date for filing the ITR and ends on the date you actually file it. Important note, the due date for filing ITR for most individuals is September 15, 2025, for free 2024-25. If you file your return on October 10, 2025, you will be charged interest for 2 months, September and October. Section 234B, interest for default in payment of advance tax. This interest is levied if you are required to pay advance tax and either fail to pay it or pay less than 90% of the total tax liability. Interest rate, 1% per month or part of a month. Calculation. The interest is calculated on the shortfall amount, the difference between 90% of your assessed tax and the advance tax you paid. The period of calculation starts from April 1st of the assessment year and continues until the date the tax is paid in full. Note, advance tax is mandatory if your total tax liability for the year is 10,000 rupees or more. Section 234C, interest for deferment of advance tax installments. This interest is charged if you fail to pay the required percentage of advance tax by the specific installment due dates. Interest rate, 1% per month or part of a month. Calculation. The interest is calculated on the shortfall amount for each specific installment. June 15th. Interest is charged for 3 months, from July to September, if you have paid less than 15% of your total tax liability. September 15th. Interest is charged for 3 months, from October to December, if you have paid less than 45% of your total tax liability. December 15th. Interest is charged for 3 months, from January to March, if you have paid less than 75% of your total tax liability. March 15th. Interest is charged for 1 month, for March, if you have paid less than 100% of your total tax liability. Late filing fee, Section 234F. In addition to interest, there is a late filing fee if you file your ITR after the due date, as per Section 234F. For total income up to 5 lakh rupees, the late fee is 1,000 rupees. For total income above 5 lakh rupees, the late fee is 5,000 rupees. This fee is separate from the interest charged under Section 234A.